How to make plant-based soap from trees. The forgotten system hidden in ash, oil, and fire. Most people think soap comes from a store. But long before companies exist, people made soap from trees. The land gave the lie. The land gave the oil. The land gave the fragrance. The land gave the purification. Today, I'm going to show you how to make plant-based soap from trees using the same system our ancestors used. A system that still works and a system that proves abundance was never missing. The revelation. Soap is just lye plus fat. Let's start with the truth. Soap is created when lye meets fat. That's it. You don't need chemicals. You don't need factories. You don't need suds. You need alkaline lye from wood ash, oil or fat from plants, heat, and time. That reaction is called saponification. The moment the land cleans you. How trees give you the lye. When you burn hardwood, oak, hickory, pecan, maple, fruit wood, the ash is full of potassium carbonate, potassium hydroxide, calcium, minerals. When you pour water through that ash, the minerals dissolve and create lye water. This is the original soap base. This is what every household used for thousands of years. The tree gives the lye. How trees give you the oil. Now let's talk about the fat. The part most people think must come from animals. It doesn't. Trees and plants produce powerful oils that make excellent soap. Moringa oil, a high-quality ancient cleansing oil. Chinese tallow fat. The white coating on the seeds is a natural solid fat. Olive oil, the foundation of Castile oil. Soap. Coconut oil creates bubbles and hardness. Palm or palmetto oil makes a firm, stable bar. shea, and cocoa butter. Creamy, moisturizing plant fats. The tree gives the oil. How the land makes the soap. Here's the simple process. Make the lye water. Pour hot water through hardwood ash. Let it steep. Strain it. Second, press or extract the plant oil from moringa seeds, tallow tree seeds, olives, coconuts, or nuts. Third, heat the oil. Warm it gently so it blends smoothly. Fourth, add the lye water. Slowly, carefully, stirring as the reaction begins. Fifth, watch the transformation. The mixture thickens. It changes. It becomes soap. 6, pour and cure. Let it harden. Let it rest. Let the land finish its work. This is the ancient system. This is the complete system. This is the forgotten system. How to add natural scent. People like things to smell good. And the land provides that too. Add pine needles, cedar chips, rosemary, mint, bay leaves, citrus peels, lavender. Steep them in the warm oil or the warm lye water. The scent transfers naturally. The tree gives the fragrance. Why this matters for the remnant. This is bigger than soap. This is about restoring land-based knowledge. This is about breaking dependency. This is about seeing the provision that was always around you. The tree gives the heat, the ash, the lye, the oil, the scent, the purification, the instruction. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is accidental. Everything has an assignment. The call to see. So my message today is simple. Look again. Look at the trees on your land. Look at the seeds. Look at the ash. Look at the oil. The land is not empty. The land is full of cleansing, full of healing, full of provision. Abundance was never missing, only vision.